Hey guys, and welcome to today's Fab in 5. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the relatively new Colourpop Feather Effect Styling Wax and Feather Effect Brow Brush. This is a little duo here that is supposed to give you a really nice feather effect to your brows. And I did get the tinted one as I wanted to see if it would help kind of save time, maybe fill in the brows a little bit more. I am not the biggest fan of the feather brow technique because my brows are thin, they're like sparse, uneven, but there are some times when I like to do it and I like to kind of test these products out. I do like the brow freeze. That's the best thing I've tried for the feather effect. And I've actually never tried a brush specifically for this, feather effect. So I'm really, really excited. If you want to find out how these guys perform, especially on hard to do brows, then keep on watching. So this is a unique solid to gel formula that tames and shapes brows with a strong, flexible hold that lasts all day while growth peptides nourish and condition the brows, which is always great to see. And then the brush is an angled spoolie to properly activate the styling wax and tame through brows. It has a tapered handle that sets the brows for fluffy, feathery look. So this is the actual brow gel. This is the color. They only have a clear and then one tinted color. So this is supposed to be kind of like a universal. I personally think it would be nice to see different colors because if you had blonde hair and you still wanted, like a light brown tinted gel, they don't really have that option. So I do think it would be nice to see different colors, but I am hoping this will work for my hair. This is the brush, which they're very nice, looks wise, like they're pretty. I really like that. It looks like a nice spoolie and it does, you're supposed to be able to kind of like set down the brows with the end. So let's just go ahead and see. So first it says to activate the formula with a drop of setting mist or water. I did not know that. It says a drop, so I'm just gonna do a little tiny squirt. To activate it in circular motions, create a gel-like texture. I'm putting a little more pressure and I think more of the wax is actually coming off onto the brows. Okay, so we're looking feathery. Then it says, allow the product to set and then use the tapered handle in an upward-outward motion to create the feather effect. Touch up sparse areas with brow powder or brow pencil before applying the styling wax. Well, it would have been nice to have that note before. That's okay, I can go in with my brow tint pen afterwards. I've let it set. I'm now going to press it with this handle. I do actually really like this. The fact that the handle is perfect for that. I mean, I've always kind of used my finger. I'm gonna use the edge of it too to kind of go along the shape. I might use this. Yeah, that works a lot better. I actually really like it, guys. Then if I filled it in with my tint pen, as you can see, the brow looks a lot more clean and full and even. It does look like it fills them in a bit. I mean, it does look like it's holding them really well here. I'm quite impressed. Does the tinted one fill them in drastically to the point where you wouldn't need to touch them up? No, but if you had really full brows and you just wanted to add a little extra color, I think it would definitely do the job. Like I can see the difference in terms of color, but it just doesn't obviously fill in those sparse areas. So I would recommend definitely making sure you have a pencil or a tint pen or whatever you like to use on hand, either before or after. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I love it. I love it. I do feel like it holds the hairs nicely so far. I feel like it gives them a nice effect. I like the tint to it. I think it makes them look a little more full, and so it's easier to go in and fill them in. So I'm really, really happy with my brows right now. I love it. So A+ for these products so far. I will definitely write in the description box below if anything changes. If there's no note down below, then that means that in my opinion stayed the same, and I absolutely love these products. I love the brush. It is perfect. I will definitely continue to use it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.